Welcome to Almost Live. My name is Alan. Right now we're running on FSD. Let me pull it up. It's 12.5, but I want to show you guys. So here's the deal here. There are plenty of FSD 12.5 on YouTube already. That's why I don't post it that much, because they're everywhere. However, there is a section of the road that's close to where I live. Very sharp turns. I did upload a video of going to Ortega heading westbound from Lake Elsinore to Orange County. But that is yeah, it is one of the most dangerous highways in the world. But this road that I'm going to be driving into is not a highway, but there is one little section. I'm going to show you on the map here. See this part right here? I don't know if you can catch that. So you look at the map I put on satellite view. You're going, and then there's very sharp turn. You're going to see it as I'm recording. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, yes, I am recording on the iPhone 14 Pro Plus. Let me correction, iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, the only thing that's carrying the phone is this head strap I put it on. So some people comment, oh, you shouldn't use your phone while you're driving. Well, this is technically hands-free, so there you go. Let me adjust the camera so you can see this is set up right here. Okay, good. Now you just hit the brake, go to drive. See that little steering wheel? Wait for this Hyundai to pass us. And you know, sometimes you have to hit the go pedal, but in this case I didn't have to. And off we go. Fun fact, when you have your mirrors folded, it unfolds at 31 miles per hour. However, just for safety measures, I'm going to unfold the mirrors here. Let's see, as a matter of fact, here, let me expand the view. It's ready for the bus. Now we're on main surface streets. Now some vehicles, including my father's Tesla Model X, they got version 12.6. Full self driving. When this vehicle gonna get 12.6? It will get it eventually. It's gotta be patient. Full self driving. When this vehicle gonna get 12.6? It will get it eventually. It's gotta be patient. So why I'm using iPhone 14 Pro Max instead of something like a GoPro. I have a GoPro. I purchased one, gosh, it's been 9 years already. But here's the deal, when it gets too much sunlight, the GoPro shuts off. It's not just that particular GoPro. I've been reading online. Even the new GoPros you see on market today, they have the same problem. That's the Renaissance Margarita Lake right there. We just point it out. Just in case you guys haven't seen the FSD videos, so far I didn't have to touch the wheel because long as there's a green light on the display, the camera is watching the driver what's going on. Okay, so this street ends. This street is the Santa Margarita Parkway, Rancho Santa Margarita. It ends right here at the light. We're gonna make a left. Make sure nobody's coming from the other side. Get a nice left turn. Now I kind of wish this car in front of us wasn't there, so I could fully see the potential of this full stop driving in the sharp turns. Now I'm about to hit the first sharp turn, but I think that guy's gonna slow down for us. So see that guy slows down, and then this car slows down as well. The fun starts here. 50-mile-per-hour turn. Let's see how fast we do on the turn. Right now we're doing 37, 36, 35. Got my hands like this just in case I have to take over, because these are very sharp turns. Oh, there's a hairpin coming up, 50 miles an hour. Car's coming to the other side. There's a car right behind us. Yeah, this is the fun part. This is the funnest part right here. So actually, it slowed down to 12 miles per hour, and now it's picking up. So one last turn. Honestly, this FSD did okay. It wasn't flawless, but at least I didn't have to take over. But if you watch the clip, you notice this car has entered the yellow lanes, yellow solids, in and out. I did the same test a year ago, probably it would have failed the test miserably. I would have to take over. But so far with version 12.5, I didn't have to take over, but you saw my hands was like this because the car was going a little bit on the line, you know, in and out of the lines. The car did brake a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera because there's a car coming from the other side. I didn't know there's a shopping center here. Cool. Normally I drive faster than this in this piece of road, but I do appreciate the full stop driving, you know, playing it safe over here. Campground sold out. Well, look, I'm not camping here, but in case you want to camp sometime, if you see the sign campground sold out, well, there you go. So actually, I'm gonna take over here and I'm gonna park in one of these, and while I'm filming, let's see, does camera pick up the parking lot? It shows parking spot. You see the P, click on it, and we're gonna back in. 10-minute parking, that's fine. I'm gonna leave shortly anyways. Now when version 12.6 comes out to this vehicle, I'm going to do the same test again. So, just to show you, I'm going to show a close-up view. I'm going to click autopilot. Okay, so the full stop driving, it was on assertive this whole time. I should have checked it in the beginning of the test, but I didn't. But I'm going to show you here. Assertive. So overall, this is a overview of how the FSD performs in sharp turns. This is Alan from Almosh Live. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you guys get notified when the new videos are coming up. Also, if you're interested in the new Tesla, I'm going to send you the link down below for you. Another thing, this is a device right here. You want to find out how I get this? I'll send you the link down below for you. Thank you for watching.